hell are you talking about? Who are you talking to?
I've tasted other cocos. This is the best.
What the hell does this have to do with anything? Tell me what's happening!
Well, you're having a nervous breakdown. That's what's happening.
You're part of this, aren't you?
Roman!
Meryl!
You are scaring me!
You're scaring me, Meryl. What are you gonna do? Dice me? Slice me and peel me? There's so many choices!
No! Do something!
What'd you say? Who are you talking to?
Nothing. I didn't say anything.